Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Feb, and today I'm going to be doing one of my favourite type of videos to do, and that's an unboxing. So this is from the Lonely Broomstick in Scotland. I've done one of these before. Last time I got the red box, this time I've got the blue box. And this is it. It's a big old thing. It's a peculiar shape because it's got a few add-on items in there. I was so impressed with the first box that there were a couple of things that I really wanted to get again, so I ordered them separately. So let me get this packaging off and I'll show you what we've got. Okay, firstly, dealing with the add-ons, these have come in a little purple plastic bag, and we've got two lots of wax melts. This time it's buttery beer, and the other one is chocolate buttery beer, which I'm just dying to smell. Behind me in my Stonehenge, other side, I do it every time, my little Stonehenge burner there, that's got pumpkin juice, and that came in the last box. It smells amazing, honestly. If you don't get anything else, highly recommend these things. And then the other thing, which I couldn't guarantee what was going to be in the box because obviously it's a mystery box. So I really wanted to get myself another one of these, and this is the butterbeer syrup. Basically, I guess it's butterscotch syrup, and that's what it looks like. Buttery beer, and it is amazing. Honestly, I'm down to like this much of the first one. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this stuff. Actually, I've got one here right now. Basically, I just put a little hint of cinnamon in with mine. It's just hot milk and a teaspoon of this, a little bit of cinnamon. Mwah. Okay, let's get into the main box. All right, so this is what it looks like. Exactly the same packaging as last time. That string I have used on so many of my Skyrim alchemical potions and whatnot that it's proved really useful. So yeah, obviously I'll be keeping that. I'll get the paper off and then we'll start a lucky dip. All right, all the packaging is off, and this is what it looks like. Just a big old black box. It's got B40 written in the corner, which I'm assuming is for blue, and 40 quid, which is what I paid for this. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Nothing, not a lot to be seen there. Let me quickly show you their website so that you can see what the deal is. Okay, so here we are on the Lonely Broomsticks website. If you go to this section here, collection boxes, there's my mandrakes and toadstools that I made previously. There's a sweets and treats box, and this one is the box of curiosities. And you can have whichever colour house you are, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw in my case, or Gryffindor, and then you can decide on what value you want to pay. And basically down here it will tell you that it's a collection of mystery items found within their shop, picked by their amazing witches and wizards, and whatever you pay. So say for example that you spent £20, you could be sure that the products that they include would be over £20 worth of value. They also ship to all over the place, so if it is something that interests you, then do check it out. All right, then, let's see what we've got in this box. I can't wait any longer. Okay, this weighs an absolute ton. Let's unpeel the thing and see what's here. First of all, on the very top, we've got we've got Fruity Macadam's Candy Pop. Not a chance in hell of me ever eating it. Look at the state of that. Oh my goodness. But for those of you that might have children, or young people in your family, or even you, I mean, let's face it, anyone could enjoy this, couldn't they? But it's certainly a delightful looking thing, that's for sure. Okay. Oh, lovely. Okay, I can see straight away here. This one, this bubble bath, now this fairy tears, this came in the previous box that I had, and it is super nice. I couldn't even tell you what it smells of. It just smells kind of fruity and florally at the same time. Very, very attractive bottle. I only wish that you could reuse it, but it's plastic, so you can't really. Maybe if you could get the stopper out, then you could. But yeah, that is a lovely thing to have. I'm so happy with that. All right. Next, actually, I can see wax melt. So these are blueberry vanilla. Oh my goodness. Okay, I feel very spoiled. This is lovely. How nice. It's kind of suffered a bit in the traveling, as you can see, but I love the fact that A, it's blue for my Ravenclaw house, and blueberry vanilla. It says a sweet blueberry accord. I say it's a perfume house with strawberry, raspberry, blackcurrant on a substantive base of vanilla. Okay, gorgeous. I use them every single day, so this is going to be really useful for me. Here we've got some mysterious packaging. We also have a pin. How pretty is this? Oh, it's a Ravenclaw. Right, okay, let me see if I can get this in a bit closer for you. Okay, that's much better. Now you can see it more clearly. Look how lovely this beautiful Ravenclaw pin. Oh, I am super happy to have that. Very nice. It can go on my pin board behind me. All right. Oh, also, oh my goodness, look at that. A little Ravenclaw coin purse, which I don't own. In fact, I rarely have coins these days. Does anybody? I don't know. I know it sounds weird to say that, but I just pay by card for literally everything. But that is a cute thing to have, and I'm very pleased with it. Wow, look at that. Lovely. Okay. It's also got inside it just a nice bit of stuffing to keep it its shape. Okay. Add that to my little blue pile. All right, underneath that, oh, we have a book, Peter Pan. Oh, how lovely. Okay, well, if you didn't watch my previous video unboxing, they do give you a mystery book. You don't know what it's going to be. In the last one, it was wrapped up. I opened it up and it was Treasure Island, and it was in this similar sort of style. So here we have a hardback of Peter Pan, which is a book that I don't own, and I'm really happy to have it. I haven't read this for, oh my goodness, 20 years, maybe more. What a beautiful thing. Lovely foiling on it as well. Gorgeous. Okay. All right, let's see what else we've got in here. This feels like it might be a candle. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. Okay, so let me tell you, the last one that I had, oh my God, look at that. It's called Dark Arts Candle, Unforgivable Curse. It's wood, sage and sea salt. And the last one that I had was balsam and something or another in this same sort of line. And it smelt amazing. Oh my word. Look how pretty. Let me have a sniff. Okay, that smells really good. Okay, that's gorgeous. That will be sitting above my fireplace in the sitting room. Very nice. Okay, I can see yet another Ravenclaw thing here. Oh wow, look. Okay. We've got a little key ring with a tassel and my Ravenclaw crest here. Nice. I will add that to my keys because I don't have a Ravenclaw keyring, and now I do. Lovely, pretty little thing. Glad to have it. I must admit, I'm very impressed with the amount of, Ravenclaw items that have been put in here. Let's see what else we've got. Hey, I have no clue what this might be. Have a look. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, we've got a Wolfsbane potion. And isn't that pretty? Let me get it in a bit closer for you to see. Okay, that's better. Look how lovely. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Absolutely lovely. Okay, that will be going on my Harry Potter shelf for sure. My potion shelf, that is a lovely, lovely thing. What do you think so far? I think they are so worth the money, honestly. I feel like I've got well more than my £40 worth here, to be honest. Okay, oh, we've got another small little thing here. Oh, and it's another one. Okay, so this is Mermaid Tears from the Great Lake. Now, this one I already do have. It came in my Gryffindor box. Obviously, you run the risk of that, of repeats. But I know someone that I can give this to, and it is a lovely thing. I don't need two of them, so I will be giving this one away, but that is really pretty. Very nice. Okay, just a couple of things left, and let's have a look and see what this is. Oh my God, ice mice. Actually, these I will probably eat. I absolutely love white chocolate. And literally the only white chocolate I ever see these days is Milky Bars, but they are so nice. Oh, how lovely. Okay, I will attempt to put them in my kitchen, but how long they'll last there is anybody's guess. White chocolate mice, delicious. And then finally, I really hope that this is a bottle of butterbeer. Oh, and it is. Okay, so this is the Spellbound butterbeer, and look, it's got luster in it, so that it it just looks magical, doesn't it? I mean, it's super pretty. I thoroughly enjoyed this. I ate it. I drank it in one go, the bottle that I had in my last one. So yeah, this is a lovely thing. It won't last. It'll be gone by tomorrow. All right, let's do a quick summary. Okay, here they are all laid out, and I think my favourite things are going to be the pin, which is just so cute and adorable. I very much like the inclusion of the key ring as well. The little purse is adorable. This potion, the candle, and the book I love. And the melts. I feel like my £40 has been extremely well spent, particularly as that's going to get drunk immediately. This will be used as soon as I've finished my existing one. These I love, and they can't do any wrong at all with their max wax melts. And the ice mice, just delicious. Okay, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think about it. Have you ordered one of these boxes before, and were you equally pleased with it? All right, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.